So hello guys, I'm back on a new video, and in this video we are going to see the gaming performance of this laptop that I unboxed or reviewed in the previous video. If you have not watched that video, here would be an eye icon, or here, I don't know. You can go and check there first the unboxing and then come here to see the gaming performance of this laptop. So guys, I'm going to play 3 games in this to get the final review of this, and at the last I'm going to tell you the overall review of this, that does it play games nice or bad. So let's get started, and I'm going to play I was confused between Froza and Asphalt 8 because I don't have either of them, so I got a comment for Froza, but that's out of my capacity because I can't download it. And I will try for Asphalt 8 because I have not decided which game I'm going to do. I decided that I'm going to do 3 games. So one is sure that it's going to be between Froza and Asphalt. Second is PUBG Mobile through BlueStacks. So guys, now let's start the video by checking the Asphalt 9 Legends game, and I have downloaded a FPS checker if it is able to check the FPS, because I tried it many times and it was not showing the FPS. So if it shows now, then okay, and if it not, we will just check the game without the FPS. And please don't mind if I am not showing you the FPS. I don't think the FPS minds you that much. So now let's start the game, and I'll come right back after it starts. I don't know how much time it takes to start, so it has just started. And again the volume, just a second. It's just perfect. I can't say it right now if it's the working nice, and the pixels are nice. Like, I don't see any like blurry image. Pixels of this laptop are nice. I don't know, I know it's not included in the gaming, that pixels like little bit, you know, you want to enjoy the scene. You can also watch movies and all on HD quality. So let's just wait for it to turn on and then we'll start. It's working perfectly fine till now. I have not played anything, but it is like it was asking my age and the startup screen. Nothing problem was there in that. So let's wait for just some seconds, and here it has started. So the volume, I don't know what's going to come right now, so let's just wait. Am I playing it? Press the arrow A or right arrow D to go left or right. Okay. Okay. So it's working perfectly fine. I don't think any lags in it. Press or hold the down arrow or shift S while steering to right. Press the right arrow. Okay, drift. Okay. Press or hold the down arrow or S by steering to drift. Okay. Graphics of this game are also nice, and I don't see any problem in it. The game is working fully nice without any lags, and I have a PC over here. I'll just show you once. I also had downloaded the game on that, and it doesn't work very nice. And on this it's working nice, and if it's bad, I don't know. It's totally nice. And I don't know, like people were saying to play Froza. Does that make any difference, Froza and Asphalt? I know according to the GB it has more space, so it would be more heavy file, little bit legs, glass, I don't know. Shock gives you okay. Okay, the game is also nice. I know I'm not reviewing the game, but still it's looking nice to me. So according to me, it was a nice. The first impression is the last impression, and according to me, it was absolutely nice. I'm playing a game on this for the first time, and it was absolutely nice. So now it will not show me any tutorial, so I am going to play it properly, and then I'm not going to talk to you in between, and then come right at the last to talk to you. Not last, before the PUBG Mobile playing, I am going to come and then talk to you. And here is my laptop computer. It's messy, so I'm not going to show you properly. It's little messy and it doesn't work absolutely nice. It's very laggy and all. So I'll just come right back when I have played it a little bit. Recording is still on. I am going to play it on time lapse. So let's start the time lapse. Played it Asphalt 9 Legends. It's not a heavy file and it works perfectly fine, no lags, nothing. And Froza, compared to Forza, I don't know, I have not played Froza. And if I am able to download Froza, just tell me in the comments from where I have to download. I am not able to get it. Like, I have to download from the Microsoft store of this laptop, or from the Google Chrome, or from where, or is it paid or free? Please tell me in the comments, and then if I get it, I'll make a part 2 of this gaming performance of this laptop. So till now, let me just mute it. It's just perfectly fine. 100% I'll give it. Like for the Asphalt 9, I've completed this one. So I've played the Asphalt 9. For it, I'm going to give it full 4.5 or 5 out of 5. And for now, let's move to the PUBG Mobile and let's see for what I'll give, or how much I'll give for the PUBG Mobile, and the overview overall of comparing this and PUBG Mobile, and total gaming performance of this laptop, I'll give it at the last. So please watch the video till the last to get the perfect review of this laptop if you're buying it. So let's move further. PUBG Mobile, and for playing PUBG Mobile, I have the shortcut on the screen, you can see it, and the FPS, as I have searched, and you can see on your screen that the FPS for PUBG Mobile emulator should be 60 FPS if a gaming laptop, because this is not a gaming laptop. Now on your screen you can see a second photo in which it's written from 40 to 50. So let us expect FPS for this laptop PUBG Mobile emulator to be 35 FPS. If it comes above this, it's nice, because it's not at all a gaming laptop. So let's check it. So let's get started. So before I start, I want to tell you that I'm not at all good at playing games on the laptop, especially PUBG Mobile, so please don't judge me. So here's the mouse. I've bought a mouse because I can't play with this, and little bit I'll try to play with this because I have to tell you the performance of the laptop, and that also includes the feel of the keyboard if you are unable to keep your hand perfectly on the points or not. So I'm going to play with this also, but mainly I'm going to start with this. So let's get started, and now let me launch it. And finally I started the FPS, it's over here. So let's wait for the game to start, and then I'll check. I'm going to go in the Cheer Park, and with all the settings I told previously, that I told HDR and all, I'm going to do all that. So let's wait for it to open and then just come right back. So while the game is starting, I just remembered one of the disadvantage of this, that on the keyboard you have to use an external keyboard. I know surely, because to free and unlock the mouse you need to get this F1, and in F1 there's another task assigned for the laptop itself, because that F1 keys and more keys, that aeroplane mode and all, are given along with F1, F2, F3. So I'm unable to use F11 to full screen, and F1 for unlocking the mouse. Right, it's unlocked. As soon as the game starts, it will get locked and I will not be able to get it unlocked. So let's just check, and if that happen, I have to bring my keyboard. So it has just started. Let's go to the Cheer Park and test it. So here the game has started. It's showing emulator detected, and the FPS right now is showing 26, as you can see over here. At the right you can also see the screen recording. So here I have clicked Cheer Park. I'm just going to reduce the volume little bit. I don't want the volume. So I wish it doesn't disappear again to the FPS, because I have been doing it for like from yesterday. So I was unable to do it because FPS was not showing on the screen. So it has shown. Please, it took me a lot of time. Please hit a like on the video and also subscribe. You all don't subscribe. I've just checked my previous videos details and it's showing 94% have come here, have watched this video, that have not subscribed. So please subscribe. And here at the starting it takes a lot of time to load, so you have to wait quite like in the lobby you have 40 seconds before going on the plane. It just takes a little bit of time. So here I've just got my keyboard, I have connected it, and now let's just press F1. Mouse came, and yeah, now let's unlock it again, and it's working 30 FPS. It's not that good, I know, but it's fine, totally fine for this. Let's check if there's enemy in front of me and I have to quickly start firing. See, like I am running, shift, and there's the enemy thing. As soon as I open the scope, the FPS just dropped a little bit, and that much it's fine. When I just run like quickly, see, FPS 21, 18, and when I'm firing it just decreased a little bit. Let's check the other gun. Let's check for the arm. I don't think it's bad. I know 23 FPS is quite less. Let me just aim my camera and turn it towards me. Just a second. What was I saying? I was saying that 26 FPS is also not a bad for a non-gaming laptop. It's not a gaming laptop, but still it should work fine because it has 8 GB RAM. It has Radeon Vega graphics, as I told, so it should work nice. Like, see, here it went 30. So if I saw it, it went 30. So here's the screen recording over here, because the screen recording is still on and I'm still playing. You might be seeing I'm seeing there. See, it's quite fine. It's working absolutely fine. There's no lag. So as I was saying about the HDR and all, let's change that and let's check it. So I'm going to show you what I was all talking about. So here you can see I was talking about this. I'll go to settings. I know many players would be knowing this. What's it? Here's the graphics. Reduce if the device becomes hot, it's written. Requires restart. If I have to change this, I have to restart the game, so I'm not going to do that right now. Right now I have kept it at smooth it was before, or HDR and ultra, and they will be affected. Okay, so if I like, now you can see it's not at HDR right now. I know it's at smooth, it's the lowest, and it was working at 30 FPS. I know if I do it to ultra and at low also, it doesn't look bad. You can see over here right now. So you can keep it at your if you are not a pro player and you don't need it for exactly gaming and schoolwork also, and little bit gaming, so you can take this laptop. It's perfectly fine. So I give it a thumbs up. And now till now we have seen the Asphalt 9's performance, PUBG Mobile's performance with low graphics, like low. I've kept it on low settings, but now we are going to check it for ultra HDR or HDR settings, because I don't think it will work, but if it works, it's a nice laptop, and we are going to check it properly. Just 2 minutes more for the PUBG Mobile, or just 1 minute more, because I know I have taken a lot of time on the PUBG Mobile. Here right now I have kept the FPS on but the screen recording off, because as I told you last time that the screen recording was decreasing its FPS by 10 or 12, so I just turned the screen recording off. And so here in this part of the video you might be saying that where did I told that I have turned off the screen recording before, as it was decreasing the FPS. When did I told you this? I told this, but I have removed it while editing because it was taking 5 minutes to show while playing. But I actually Now I can explain you easily while speaking only. I don't think I have to show you again. While playing that, it went to 40-45 FPS. It went, yes, it really went, and the screen recording was using the RAM, that's why it affected that. And now if I will play it without the screen recording, the FPS would be much better, less lags. So let's move back to the video. And here, so guys, here I have started the game with HDR mode. Let's just check which one HDR. See graphics, HDR and Ultra. Let's don't keep it at Ultra HD because HDR is, I think, is enough. I was playing before on smooth and low, so smooth and high. Now it's on Ultra and HDR, so you can play on many modes. I think if it's lagging in HDR, you can try Ultra and HDR balanced. That would be the perfect. Like, graphics have increased but the FPS decreases, so I think when I was playing on the medium also, that was not at all bad. If graphics for PUBG Mobile, low are also nice on PUBG Mobile. See, it's not lagging actually. Right now it's not lagging on the HDR, but in between it may be while you are in a classic mode or so. My favorite always M249. This time little bit 5.56. So here now it's reloaded. Here, see, little bit lag you can of course see, but now I can't tell you is it more lag than the normal low one, or it's similar to that. I think it's less FPS than that, and as I told you, it was very difficult to bring the FPS in the low also. Now I'm not able to bring the FPS, and that's causing a problem. So you can just check it without the FPS only. And screen recording also reduced its speed a lot. And let me just take scope and then just check. I'll take a 4x. So here is, see, if the person is far away and you are killing him, he is killing you, I don't think it will cause much problem, but little bit, yeah, it will cause. The HDR mode, you can keep it on, like it has HD, balanced, smooth, Ultra HD. I will suggest you to keep it on HD because that's not at all bad. It's working fine on HDR also. You can check it yourself if you are buying this laptop, and if not, then it's your choice. You have to buy a gaming laptop. And I was saying that this laptop is good if you are buying it for home and school work, and just 30 to 40% gaming, like when you have free time, not like it's basically for gaming, you have to stream on the YouTube app. It's just for little bit gaming. Then I will say it's a nice budget laptop and you can play games nicely. So now let's come to the overview. We have seen the HDR. See, the graphics of the laptop are very nice, like the pixels are very clear, it's looking clear. So now let's move to the overview and the final review. So it's time for the overview, all over full gaming performance of this laptop. So for the PUBG Mobile, I'll give it 4, and for the Asphalt 9, I told you Legends, I'll give it 5 out of 5. So the total overall, if we calculate it both wise, it comes out to be 4.5, but I'll give it overall gaming performance. Like, I used the BlueStacks, there could be a fault in the BlueStacks that it's not perfectly fine. After downloading BlueStacks, I just got something in my mind that why didn't I use Game Loop? That's the official Tencent gaming buddy, the official from the PUBG Mobile side, Call of Duty for all that games. It would be much better than right now I'm playing it. So now we can't do anything, so I'll give it 4. Overall gaming, like I just got a comment in the video, the previous video that I made for the review. Someone got a comment what stars I'll give. I gave it 4.5, and for the gaming I'll give it 4. So that this was all, and just let me just talk about a little bit that let me just it just got a little bit hot, not that hot like playing PUBG didn't got at all hot, just little bit. And right now for while playing got a little hot, just little, not like if I keep it over here it's just like something like you need something for hot, it's not burning hot, nothing, fans noise is not coming at all. I just got storage error that I don't have storage on my phone, that's why I just stopped recording. And I was just saying that little bit fan it's okay like noise because it's not at all a gaming laptop. I'm again saying this. That was all for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share my video. And you can also follow me on my Instagram handle, that is Samay_Samay.alwa underscore. You can find the link in the description and the comment box. And if I forgot to give some of the points, you can just ask me in the comment box question, and I reply it within 1 day or within 5 to 10 minutes, because I just sometimes I'm studying, I just forgot it, and the next day I got another comment, and with that comment I saw your comment. So it might be late, but I will answer your each and everyone's answer, because I have way less subscribers. So it's not like that you will get missed, and all you can always comment